Bonsai. In simple words, it's reflection of nature's beauty. Bonsai is an art that is 1,000 years old. Bonsai are potted miniature trees which are carefully styled. Japanese word bonsai translates as a tree which is planted in a shallow container. Bonsai originated from the ancient Chinese practice of Penjing, also known as Penzei. Later it redeveloped under the influence of Japanese Zen Buddhism. Bonsai is a miniature but realistic representation of nature. Bonsai are not generally dwarfed plants, which is a common misconception. They can be treated from almost any trees and shrubs. The most interesting feature of bonsai is the age of the trees. Fiscus bonsai tree at Crespi Museum, Italy, over 1,000 years old, believed to be the oldest. There are plenty other famous bonsai collections all over the world, which are centuries old. Bonsai comes in all sizes and prices. At the International Bonsai Convention in Takamatsu, Japan in 2017, this massive 400-year-old pine bonsai was sold for $1.3 million. Bonsai are expensive because it takes so long and requires great effort to create them. The smallest bonsai tree in the world will fit in the palm of your hand. Ultra-small bonsai trees display the stunning extremes this art can reach. Bonsai are a blend of horticultural knowledge and art. In the bonsai training and styling, there are two most important techniques: pruning and wiring. Pruning means cutting branches to shape your tree. Pruning is about establishing the best design for your tree. Wiring means bending and shaping the branches of a bonsai. Wiring is a crucial technique to train and style bonsai trees by bending and shaping the branches of a bonsai. Wiring done by wrapping wire around the branches of a tree, so that you can bend and reposition the branches. After a few months, when the branches are set in their new shape, the wire should be removed. The art of creating bonsai trees requires great patience. Some of major bonsai styles are: formal upright style, informal upright style, slant style, cascade style, semi-cascade style, broom style, windswept style, twin trunk style, forest style, bonsai with flowers. Bonsai trees can grow full-sized fruits also. Practicing the art of bonsai is great for relaxation. Bonsai is a great symbol of Japanese culture that can be experienced all over the world.